Welcome. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. This is the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel, day trading for ROI payout. No trade recommendations. It's just a trade journal. And we've had two pretty solid down days. So we've only got 2 more days of April. So I've got a few charts here to look at. Definitely have an 8:30 catalyst for the news. And we're still in earnings season with Amazon after the close on Thursday. Let's review the charts Thursday. And we've already had the New York midnight open. So what's ahead of us is the Europe London open a little bit later, 24-hour on the left. And nothing really cooking here. 2 down days. Here we are, this little blip of green. And we have a pullback sell signal with the minus 44 delta. Not real excited about this. I don't see a setup. Below us, drawing liquidity coming in at 4065 and a year-to-date 23 anchored VWAP. So that's not too far away. We go down 10, 15 points below the low of Wednesday, and we're at 0 for the year. The 50% equilibrium of the prior 2 days comes in right here at 4112, and above that we have an open fair value gap. Okay, that covers the 24-hour. Again, no setup here that's compelling for me. 4-hour on the right. What we've got here is above us, again, a fair value gap. And this is, again, on the 4-hour chart. And you can see we never closed it all the way. So what we've got on this is an algorithmic order flow sell. This is a more hardcore sell signal, minus 91 delta, pullback trend sell. And drawing liquidity here at the 66 level. And this is something I didn't point out on the 24-hour. This is an open fair value gap that has not been closed. If you go over here, you can see March 28th, 29th, and 30th. These 3 bars created this fair value gap. So I'm transposing it on the 4-hour because that's open and that's just a zip code away. So definitely we could go there, but I'm neutral here. Cash is the best position if you're unsure. I don't want to be gambling. I'm looking for a high probability, low resistance setup, and that's just not playing out here. So let's go to the next charts. 15-minute Thursday Globex. And same thing, boring, 7-handle range consolidation. Here we are. This is not happening. So sit on hands, do nothing, see what Europe, if there's an expansion. Consolidation Asia, leave it alone, see if Europe has something. But you can see the prior day here where we hit this low down here in the 65. And right now we're digging into this 15-minute red fair value gap, which was a previous new week open gap, and above that is this fair value gap within a fair value gap, 15-minute and 4-hour. I pointed this out on the 4-hour already. So again, nothing compelling. New York midnight open comes in 84.75. Next chart, Renko. I'm going to close out the video with the Renko chart and pointing out here this vertical. We hit the lower Keltner. Again, same stuff we did a day ago, and you can see here where we had this lower Keltner ride at the end of the day, and then we go 20 handles above in Globex. So we're doing the same here. We closed at the low, and literally it was 5-10 minutes before the close of RTH, and then we drifted up. But where are we? We're just at the red line middle. That's not a trade. Who wants to be in the middle? You got to have some kind of premium or discount range. And the upper Keltner is 4110, which again corresponds with confluence on that fair value gap I pointed out on the low of 4-hour fair value gap. And below, we've got 63.75, which is, again, the draw on liquidity. So unless we hit a Keltner above or below, there's no trade for me here. So that just confirms it with the Renko. That's why I like it. I like to see how it oscillates. This kind of pissed me off here today because why did they have to wait till the last 10 minutes? That's the manipulation. That's what happens on T+2 month end. So again, frustrating sitting on hands and not doing a whole lot. I had a couple of trades, but the idea here is don't force anything. Don't do stupid stuff. Don't force premium trades that are gold plated to happen when they're just not there. And there is nothing happening when price is in this red zone. That's all I've got. Again, 63.75 below on the blue, above 41.10. Those are the levels. Aloha and take care. Bye.